So hello everyone, my name is Pranav and I'm a legal intern in Lexis & Company. So in today's video I'm going to talk about an overview of Article 323A and 323B of the Indian Constitution. So the Article 323A and Article 323B are provisions in the Indian Constitution that deals with administrative tribunals and tribunals for other matters respectively. So Article 323A was inserted into the Constitution by the 42nd Amendment of 1976 with the aim of providing for the establishment of administrative tribunals to handle disputes and grievances related to the recruitment, conditions of service and other service matters of the public servants. Administrative tribunals establishes under Article 323A have the jurisdiction to hear and decide matters related to the recruitment and conditions of the service of public servants, including disputes and disciplinary actions. These tribunals were created to provide a specialized and explicit dispute resolution mechanism with specially and matters concerning public servants, thereby reducing the burden on regular courts. The administrative tribunals established under Article 323A are independent of the regular court system and have powers similar to that of the civil court, including the ability to summon witnesses, receive evidence and to enforce the orders. The decisions of the administrative tribunals can be appealed in the High Courts and ultimately to the Supreme Court of India at last. So Article 323B was inserted by the Constitution of India and by the same amendment, that is the 42nd Amendment, to provide the establishment of tribunals for the matters other than those which are mentioned in Article 323A. So tribunals established under Article 323B are designed to handle specific matters and disputes related to various areas such as taxation, IPR, that is the intellectual property, environmental protection, land disputes and more. These tribunals are meant to provide specialized expertise and faster resolution of disputes in their respective domains, reducing the burden on regular courts. The composition, powers and the procedures of tribunals established under Article 323B may vary depending on the specific legislation that establishes them. The decisions of the tribunal established under Article 323B can be appealed in the respective High Courts and in some cases to the Supreme Court of India. Both Article 323A and 323B aim to provide efficient, specialized and expeditious justice delivery mechanism in specific areas, addressing the need for expert adjudication and reducing the workload on the regular courts. So now I'm going to conclude this video. So if you guys have any doubt, you can just ping in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible to resolve all your queries. So thank you so much and have a nice day.